Hey guys, here's your quick and to the point little tutorial of how to use the Edublogs website. I was posting for you and I realized I didn't post anything about how to use this website. So let me go over a few things with you. Hopefully it'll help you out as you get started. I'm sure you guys are all smart enough to figure all of this out on your own, but if you are unsure of how to do a couple of things, I'm going to tell you real quick. So here's my dashboard. This is the main page you're going to see when you log in. At any time, if I want to view my own page, I can click my username up here and just roll over it with your mouse, and then below that it'll say visit site. I can click on that. It'll show me what everyone else is seeing that I'm posting. So here's all of what I've posted for you, which hopefully you've taken a couple minutes to check out and kind of dig into some of the videos and things I'm posting there for you. So now if I'm on this page and I want to go back to my dashboard, I scroll over my name, click on dashboard. It's going to take me back to that page I was on before. So this is like your control hub for your blog. So from here, let's say I want to make a new blog post. So I can come up here next to my name. There's this little plus sign button. I can create a new post by clicking on that. Let's see. Let's do intro to Edublogs. Okay, so here's my post I'm working on. If I wanted to add a picture, I can click on this add media button. Okay, so add media, this is where I can upload a photo. It keeps all of your photos that you've used or uploaded in a library there for you. You can also go to add media to add a recording. You can add a featured image, which makes that picture really big. You can also insert a URL to a video, so you can copy a link to a YouTube video, post it here, change the link text if you want to. And then it'll make that video show up on your posts that you're making. You also have an option to add a link here. You could cut it off to read more, so maybe you just want part of your post to show up. And then once you're ready to post your, to publish your post, sorry, you go over here on the right, there's this publish button. If you click on that, it'll publish it right to your page. It'll make it viewable to everybody. If you want to save it and work on it more later, you hit save draft. You can also hit preview. Preview won't publish your post, but it'll allow you to see what it'll look like on your page. So you might have something you want to change about it. So you can check it out, preview before you publish it. Just remember to go back and publish it later. So I'm going to go ahead and publish my post. Okay, now I want to look at my page. I'm going to show you how to comment on somebody else's. So I'm going to go visit site, pull that up. Here's my wonderful blog. There's two ways to leave a comment on a post. So if you're looking at my whole view, so this shows each article I've created for you, the comment button for each specific article is actually at the top. So it's kind of backwards what we're used to. So you can click leave a comment. It'll pull up this text box. I can comment there. It'll post my comment. I'm set up to review all of your comments, so just know I'll see them anytime you post a comment on someone else's page or my own. So, okay, there's another way to post a comment. If you click on the name or the title of each post, it'll pull that up on its own web page, and then it leaves you a comment box at the bottom. Post. Oh, I guess I hit that twice. All right. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. I'm going to show you how you can customize your page. So to get to where you change it, if you're at your dashboard, down here it says appearance. I can click or roll over appearance, go to customize. And from there I can change the look of my blog. So you can change the background image if you have a picture you've uploaded that you want to use. You can do that there. You can just change the colors. Play around with your settings. Once you've created changes that you want to keep, you'll hit publish up here at the top. Okay, if you have any questions about how to do anything else on this page, feel free to send me an email or comment on one of my posts, and I will try to help you out. Hope you guys are doing well, and I hope to see more of you join us on here. Thanks, and we'll see you later.